Hey guys, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and it is Hanukkah and it's a rainy day here in Los Angeles. I made curry last night and I'll link up the video for that if you'd like to see my curry cheat. Since it's still Hanukkah and we've done a lot of latkes here, I decided to fry the green tomatoes that we still have in our garden since our tomato plants are still living, but the weather has turned cold. So I just wanted to show you my setup here. I've had my pots out with oil.
You're getting too heavy.
I just wanted to show you that since I've already been in frying mode, I just decided to switch gears, and I got out 3 pie plates, one with egg, one with cornmeal, and the first layer is a flour layer. I sliced up my green tomatoes, removing a little bit of skin from the bottom and top. I floured them, egged them, and then rolled them in cornmeal with a little bit of seasoning. I used a pimento mixture, and then I fried them in my oil, and here they are. They're cooling and draining. I sprinkled them with salt, and now just like the golden Japanese curry like you get in a restaurant with a fried chicken cutlet on the side, I am gonna garnish my curry today with a few fried green tomatoes. This is a completely vegetarian meal. I even did my flour mixture using a gluten-free flour so that my dad could eat this. And I'm planning on doing the rest of the tomatoes and just setting them aside to rewarm at dinner time. If you are frying non-traditional foods for Hanukkah to commemorate the miracle of oil, I'd love to hear what that is, whether it's apple fritters or a different type of potato pancake that's using maybe zucchini or sweet potato. Let me know in the comments below. I wish you a really happy Hanukkah, and I hope you like this non-traditional take on fried foods for the holiday. Take care.